Hey guys, Jeremy with Science by Van. I know it's been a little while since we posted some cool stuff, but it's the new year and we wanted to start off strong with a project that we're working on right now for a company called Rockhouse Motion. What they do is outdoor videography and photography. They're absolutely incredible at what they do. This is going to be the second piece that we've done for this company. Last one was about 3 or 4 years ago that we did for a special short that they did called Beyond the Roar. But this piece just got done routing. It's at the very end of the day. It's dark outside and we're about ready to go inside and take a look at what our router accomplished today in about 7 hours of routing. So why don't you come on with me into the CNC room and I'll show you what we got done. I just got done turning off all the air. Everything's off. I'm going to go ahead and shut that down. Come on in, and what I'll do is I'll get this air hose, and this is what it looks like after it's all gotten done routing. Now we have a little bit more to do on this, but I'm going to go ahead and blow this off. Okay, so this is the base route. Go ahead and get in there a little close and kind of show them everything. You've got the main Rockhouse logo right here in the middle, and you've got elegance and carnage, and you've got some really cool, little pieces like the Canadian leaf and some stars. And you've got this crazy looking creature right here, big ram on the left side. You've got a cabin up here on the top with what looks like a salmon or a steelhead or some type of river fish. And then you've got antlers on top. These are the main thickness cutouts. This started off as a 2-inch thick piece of HDU. And we're going to go ahead in the morning and we're going to hit it with one more quick pass. And then we're going to actually cut out the outline. We're going to pull it off. And then the really cool part is we're actually going to go in there and do all the hand carving and all the real tight detail fine work. So we'll show you more tomorrow once it comes off the router. And stay tuned because this one's going to be a really good one.